Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a Toyota Camry that's not blowing any cold air. We've pushed the button here and it starts blinking. The green light starts blinking instead of staying on. So it's about 90 something degrees here. It's very humid, and we're going to try our best to get some cold air coming out of the vents here real soon. So we've got some things we're going to try here. So we're going to get started here before we start melting. So what we're doing here is trying to get the compressor or the clutch to work on it, because the light is blinking when you push the AC button, and the AC is not working. It's just not staying on. So what's happening is, here's the belt, drive belt here, alternator, and then below that is the compressor. Alright, so it's turning, but this little part, I guess the clutch here, is supposed to be turning too, engaging the compressor when you push the AC. That's not turning, and that light is blinking. So we're going to see if the relay's bad on it. And here's the relay fuse box here, the engine compartment. We're going to take the cover off of that. Alright, so here's the cover. So we can see the relays in here and the fuses. I can't see it very well myself. Take a look at it and see if you can find something that says AC, or maybe I think it's magnetic.
Well, this one says AC. That says AC on the bottom.
That's a fuse. And where is what,
that one?
the second one? I can't even read that.
MGCLT.
Okay, that's a relay. So yeah, we're looking for a relay. So right there, so that would be right here, the second one, right?
Yeah.
Wow, it's gonna be hard to get. We're going to take these out too, probably, to get our fingers on that. So we're going to take this one out. We'll take a look at it, maybe test it, or maybe find one that looks like it matches up one of these other ones and put it in its place and see if we can, get the light, get the AC working, basically. Okay, with the needle nose pliers, just grip it firmly. Don't squeeze and crack or crush it if you can help it. Just make sure that it's firm, and then just try to lift it straight up. And when you do lift it up, make sure that you don't let go. It's going to be pretty hard, so take your time. Right, okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, you can't really tell anything by looking at it here. Let's see. Everything looks good there as well. So I'm going to take the end of these pliers, just try not to break the casing. Alright, let's put it back and see. Go ahead and get in the car. I'm just going to lightly put it in for now. Go ahead and start it. Okay. Alright, he engaged the AC because I can see the clutch spinning there. See that? The end of the pulley? So it must be on. Must be staying on, because it's staying on, okay? Yeah. Great. It's cold air too. Yeah, just run it a while. So anyway, that's all we did here. Yeah, I was just stuck, I guess. So anyway, hope that helps for getting the AC back on. For a this was 2002. It should be 2002 through 2006 Camry. This is a 3.0 V6. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day and take care.